Hey, what's going on everybody? Eric with Morris 4x4 Center. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the NightHawk Light Brows for your Jeep JK. So you should be looking at the NightHawk Light Brows if you're looking to add some aggressive styling and really enhance the look of the front of your Jeep Wrangler. And if you're looking for a project that you can do at home right in your driveway, definitely this is the product for you. Now, NightHawk is made by Undercover, and you may have heard that name before. Undercover is known for their truck bed covers. Now, what does that translate to for the Jeep market? Well, they are super high quality truck bed covers that come paint matched to match your truck. So of course, that's going to translate over into these NightHawk Light Brows. So you're going to be getting a really high quality product. The fit and finish is going to be excellent. And of course, these come color matched for the factory colors for the Jeep JKs. Now they also offer an unpainted version in case you have a custom color or anything like that on your vehicle, or you just want to do like a contrasting color that's not available in a factory color. They do have an unpainted model available for you. Now keep in mind the weather strip that is on the top of these is going to come separate. You would hear that with 3M adhesive. Now on the painted models, it already comes attached to you. So when you remove your old weather strip and install this, it's going to be a factory fit, factory sealed. Everything is going to work perfectly. Again, that just comes with the name from Undercover. Very high quality products. Now, the NightHawk Light Brows are made from a high-density ABS plastic. What that translates to is it's like a factory finish. Your grill is made from the same material, so it's super durable. It's a little bit flexible, so in case you rub it up against something, it's not quite going to just snap off. And it's just an all-around long-lasting material, so it's going to last the lifetime of your vehicle. Of course, NightHawk Light Brows are manufactured right here in the USA, so it's a great product. You're supporting American labor. And because of that high quality, these are backed by a lifetime warranty. So any problems throughout the life for the original purchaser, these are going to be covered by NightHawk in case you have any problems, which you pretty much won't, but you never know. Things do happen out here. It is the real world, but it's nice to know that they stand behind their product so much with these NightHawk Light Brows. The NightHawk Light Brows are currently available for the Jeep JK. That's 2007 to 2017 Jeep Wranglers, both 2 and 4 door. There's no difference there in the grille. Now, anyone looking to purchase a new JL, definitely look to NightHawk. Of course, they're going to be supporting the JL models too, and once the vehicle comes out and they start getting the molds and everything correct for that, definitely look out for these NightHawk Light Brows for the Wrangler JL. Now let's go over installation on the NightHawk Light Brows. Again, I mentioned it is very easy. It's something anybody can do in the comfort of their own home, right there in their driveway or in their garage. The only tool you actually need is a flathead screwdriver. Now these are adhered to the grill with some 3M adhesive. They provide you with a little alcohol swab so you can wipe everything down and make sure it's clean. You remove the factory weather strip on top of the grill because it comes with a new one right here on top of the NightHawk Light Brow. And then once everything's clean, you pop off the 2 clips on top of the grill, reinstall them with the new clips that are provided in the package in case yours are damaged or weathered, and that is it. You press down, make sure the 3M adhesive adheres, and you're good to go. You can install this in a matter of minutes. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and rate these a very easy 1 out of 3 on our mall crawler scale of difficulty. Again, anybody can do this, and they look absolutely great once you get them installed on your Jeep. The factory color match is perfect. And if you're a stickler for detail like I am, you'll notice that the orange peel finish on the clear coat actually is about the same grade as the factory paint job. So it's not going to look off. It's not going to have really rough or bumpy, a real rough or bumpy surface. Unlike the Jeep, it definitely matches perfectly and it looks amazing. So just to quickly wrap it up, again, these NightHawk Light Brows come in a variety of different factory Jeep colors and of course unpainted as well if you're doing something custom. They really add a really nice, aggressive change of attitude to the front of your Jeep. It really makes it look mean and menacing. So definitely look to NightHawk if you want a quick and easy upgrade, and it completely changes the look of the front of your Jeep. Now, of course, you can see all the NightHawk products on our website, www.morris4x4center.com. So make sure you head over there and check out all the products. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can definitely feel free to call and speak to one of our Jeep experts at 1-877-553-5337. We can answer any questions you have. If you need help looking up your paint code, we can take your VIN number and do that for you as well, so you get the perfect match for your vehicle. So guys, I'm Eric with Morse 4x4 Center. We got a little subscribe button right over here. Make sure you follow us on YouTube and check out all of our videos. We post content daily as well as on social media. Definitely you can interact with us. We love talking to you guys. We love hearing your input as well. So again, I'm Eric. This is Morse 4x4 Center, and I hope to see you out on the trail.